Good Monday morning, everyone. Kicking off the month of March yesterday. Very warm, 79 degrees. Your average high is 70, 51 for the low, right where we should be. Our record's 85 for the high, 25 for the low back in 1937. We're going to trend mild. Remember that 70, right? That's the normal high this time of year. Now this morning, we do have a little bit of fog in some spots, about a mile to 3/4 of a mile being the lowest there in Morgan City, but not terrible, at least not yet. Might get a little bit thicker through the morning before it goes away. Temperature-wise from 24 hours ago, we're about where we were, and that's mild. And as I'd mentioned, that's really going to be our weather story here as we go through at least the middle part of the week. By midday, 75 degrees, Crowley at 75, and even on down near Intracoastal City, 74. So pretty mild afternoon. Once again, maybe about 10 degrees above average, 78 at 4 o'clock. It's probably going to be pretty close to peak heating. Some of us, and even us here, we may hit 80. Look at tomorrow morning, 61 degrees at 7 a.m., well above average. Another mild day, might be a little bit more fog settling back in. And then as we get into Tuesday afternoon, again close to 80. And then Wednesday morning, starting to see some of these spotty showers show up. And as we go through the day Wednesday, notice that might even get right there a few thunder showers coming through. And again, we're near 80 degrees. So Wednesday afternoon, especially to the east side, that's when we'll see that chance of rain start to go up just a little bit. Now, not for everybody. So Jennings, you may not get rain. When off to the east of town, you may see a couple of showers, thunder showers. And then our trend next week, through the weekend and early next week, is going to be for above average in terms of precipitation. So that means we'll see some changes coming. Go to spotty showers to maybe a little bit more widespread. As a long-range guidance shows us here, Wednesday, the rain stays away. We're still getting into the 70s, maybe the mid-70s by Thursday morning with this next system starting to develop out toward the west. Late week now, and as we get into the weekend, notice Saturday and even on into Saturday night and Sunday, we start to see our rain chances come up just a bit. But over the next several hours, looking pretty good here. Look at this by lunchtime. Beauty of a day to go sit outdoors, 75 degrees with a few clouds around. And as we head on through tonight, noticing we're going to drop down to 59 degrees. And again, maybe a little bit of fog toward morning with that southeast breeze around. So a little time, patience, and caution on the roadways tomorrow morning with some of the fog in the area. And as we get into the afternoon, a few clouds around. 81. So we do get to and just above 80 degrees again, 10, 11 degrees above normal. Bigger changes in the long range. There's that shower chance Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, we should stay dry. Couple degrees milder into the low 80s, and then we stay warm into the weekend. But notice our rain chances going up Saturday and especially on Sunday with thunderstorms around. Early next week, we'll still see a decent rain chance. A few showers, thunder showers on Monday, and staying warm up close to 80 degrees. And even these overnight lows are going to be mild, almost summer-like near 70.